Good day everyone, welcome once again to Solar Valley. Today we'll be doing the installation of a 6.2 kVA Luxsun hybrid inverter together with a 15 kilowatt Cworth lithium battery. Now what makes this particular installation to be unique is because we'll be doing that without the use of solar panels. Yes, this is because the landlord did not allow solar panels to be installed on the roof, and there is no space for the availability of solar carports to be constructed. So we'll go ahead and we'll do the installation and give the customer the much needed backup that he wants in times of power failure. And after that, we'll show you a brief overview of the settings that will be inputted in this inverter to ensure that the customer makes the best use of the times that there will be grid availability. So stay tuned to the end of this video and watch the processes that we will go through in doing this particular installation. So the first thing we do is that we do the separation.
Where you do? They tell you.
Jail better pass 90.
See where bring out money by this one. See bring out money by another one. When you buy a car price of car there and price of car now same thing. No. You open the staircase.
Staircase?
No.
That one.
That kind of format.
That's the idea.
That is just it. What is it? Chemist Boston. Oh, you got room for that. Yeah, I like your body, bro. Is that? That's what I sent you. jam. One company that you do. So they tell you go to 15K.
These are some of the basic settings. So enter the settings, we set it to when it's in program 3 under this grid. It means the charging is just from the grid, from NEPA. Move over to the next AOPS and so this is the charging arms. Set it as 60. Set it as 60 for optimal charging, so that it will work well with the generator and whatever. You can increase it to 100, but let it as 60. So those are basically the settings. We already set it to